welcome back to my channel. It was a while ago we did this now. Excuse this, it's my little scrub mummy, very excited about, that I told you in my previous video. Oh, we got the holder here as well. Very nice. Moving on. So, I am in here because I am colouring my hair. And Bluey has joined me. I just thought I would move the mic closer to me because I want the sound to be okay. But obviously I'm in the bathroom, so it's gonna be a little bit weird. I am in here because today I'm going to colour my hair with you guys. And I haven't done that with you for a while. I think last time was maybe a year ago? Could have been a year ago. I'm actually not sure. Or was it beginning of this year? I think it was the beginning of this year. And I've got a party tomorrow. It's my best friend's birthday party. So I want to recolour my hair for that. As you can see, my roots have grown out a bit. It's been about 3 months since I coloured it last. So this is the colour I am going for. It's the colour I went with last time. I will link it down below if you want to pick it up. I also linked it in my previous video. This one is the Garnier Colour Sensation in 660 Intense Ruby. It comes out as basically this colour. And I really loved it last time, so I'm gonna go for the same again. I need my hair clip. This is the hair clip I'm using for when I colour my hair. It comes with a leaflet. I've done this plenty of times now, so I should know how to do it, but I forget every single time. It comes with some gloves, and then it comes with the number 1 and the number 2, the developer, and we have the colorant cream. And then it also comes with the number 3, which is like a mask to help the colour stay and soften the hair afterwards. I am going to put my gloves on. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze in number 2 into number 1. I've squeezed everything in the bottle, so I just need to shake this now aggressively. Oh, I forgot to bring a Coke. I wanted a Coke. I believe that's enough. Then I need to screw this little top off, or break it off, and then we can start applying. So I'm just gonna separate my hair and have fun. And I'm not gonna go in with the details of how I colour my hair in this video. If you want to see how I colour my hair, you can go and click this video and see how I did it last time I coloured my hair. Anyway guys, how have you been doing? I have been very busy with work, like I always tell you guys. You know how I was saying that I wanna come out with 2 videos a week? I have been filming the videos, I just don't have time to edit them. I was planning on uploading a video tomorrow, Sunday, but I haven't had time to edit it. I've still filmed it and everything, and I still wanna, you know, publish it, but it is gonna come out probably after this video, so my hair is going to be the wrong colour and it might just be a little bit, you know, random. Bear with me, I still want to post it, I just haven't had time this week to edit it. So that is the plan. Let's hope this goes away by tomorrow. I am going to wear makeup tomorrow anyway. And I was thinking about going with one of the Morphe palettes, but I don't think I'm gonna have time tomorrow to do like a crazy eyeshadow look. So I think it's just gonna be a nice like natural smoky eye with a red lip, and then I'm gonna have some red nails. Also need to make sure that this bit here gets colored because I always seem to miss it and it's really annoying, especially on this side. Let's hope I've got it everywhere. I think so. I normally do. Paint is out. So while that develops, I thought I would be doing my eyebrows. So they actually don't need a lot of shaping because I did that the other day. But I am gonna colour them, but not with this colour. I'm gonna try to get this away from my face. At least around my eyebrows so I know where to colour it, you know. Okay, so I've got this Maybelline New York Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Tin, but I'm worried it's gone out because I've had it, I mean it says used within 6 months, and I did it on my hand. It looks a bit green, but you know what? Let's just go for it. If it's not a good colour, I can always colour them in. There is a peel-off one, but I feel like there's not enough left to apply it. They're not going to be this dark. I do really like this product in general. So I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes and then take it off. And also check it out if it's finished. Brought my Coke with me. I feel like it's a bit late now though. I'm gonna let this develop for another 10 minutes I think. And then I will wash my hair and I will show you the eyebrows and what the hair looks like. And then I will be back with you. Okay guys, so hair has been washed out and eyebrows been done, but they didn't really do much. So yeah. I am now going to put in my Head and Hair Heal Soothing Serum by Maria Nila to help my scalp after colouring it. Put in a few drops here and there. I mainly do it in the areas where I can tell that I need it. And a little bit in the neckline. I'm just going to massage that in for a few seconds. There we go. And then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil Miracle Hair Serum. 3 pumps. And I'm just going to go through my hair with that. Scrunch it up a bit. I am currently in the process of growing out my fringe. So I'm not going to cut anything at the minute. And I'm not going to cut my hair either because I'm trying to grow it out, and I cut it not too long ago, just like, you know, the ends, like that much. I am now gonna put on my Biodance Hydro Ceranol Real Deep Mask. Such a long name. I just call it the Hydro Mask, to be honest. So much easier. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on and just wear it for a few hours before I go to bed. Maybe I'll try to sleep with it on tonight. Because my friend, she said that she is sleeping with hers on and she also moves a lot. So I'm like, well, if she can sleep with it on and she moves a lot, why can't I? You know, so maybe I will just do it. So yeah, it comes with the eye part and with the mouth part. And I like to apply the eye part first. I just want to show you, it's so slippery though. There's so much liquid on here. So slimy. I'm gonna do it in the mirror and I will just be here. I've got hair in my face. Yeah. So first I kind of just put it on and then I will like massage it out where I want it. Because here, for example, like there's a big bulge, so I will just like push this up and massage it into a better spot. Just like that. And then I'm gonna apply the mouth part. Oh, I did that pretty well for the first time actually. There we go. So you can see it's 2 parts. You have the top part and the bottom part. And then they kind of align here. And there we go. It's a bit annoying when it dries, but it feels really good. And this part here is really annoying, but because I wear glasses, they sit there perfectly. Anyway, so I am now gonna go and do my nails. I'm gonna just file them down and push the cuticles down, and then I'm gonna put some press-on nails tomorrow. I'm gonna be back with you tomorrow so you can see the result of the hair, what it looks like in daytime, and I thought I would curl it tomorrow as well with my curling iron and just do something different. I think the color will look really nice in different curls. We'll also probably do my makeup with you guys. I'm not sure yet. Depends on how much time I have. But I will at least be back tomorrow to show you my nails and to show you what the hair looks like in daylight and dry. Let me go sit down, eat something before I go to bed, and I will see you tomorrow with the result of the hair. Here we go, guys. So this is now the hair. I did try to curl it this morning, but since I haven't curled it for probably 3 years with a curling iron, I don't feel like I did the best of jobs, but it's not horrible. Still curly, you know. Oh my god, she's in a playful mood this morning, very playful. But that's fine, I kind of like it anyway. As you can see, I do kind of have like the curtain bangs going on. I tried anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup. I am not going to do it step by step because you've seen me do that many times, and I'm gonna do it with the same product. So I'm gonna link a few videos up here that you can watch. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup, probably do like a little time lapse of it. But I'm going for the red lip, like I told you, smoky eyes-ish. Start by priming my face. I'll let you know what I do, but I am not going to show you all the products. So first, prime my face. Oh, also something I forgot to tell you last night is that I self-tanned. So I used the Dove Gradual Tan in medium to dark because the fair to medium doesn't do anything at all, whereas medium to dark just makes me a little bit more tan. Now, I wish I could film her right now, but I have you very nice and comfortable up there, so I'm gonna leave it. But she's crazy. I don't know what she's playing with. She's playing with something, that's for sure. I might tell you everything I'm using. So I used the e.l.f. primer. I'm now using the L'Oreal Glotion and the Be Perfect bronzing drops. I'm gonna go over my whole face with that. Just to make sure that my face looks as tanned as my body, you know. That's good. I did forget to wet my sponge, so I'm gonna go and do that quickly. So it's currently 9:47 and we need to leave at 11:15, so I have plenty of time still. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Buttermilk Glazed Skin Tint, which is way too pale right now when I'm tanned, but it gives me a nice coverage, so I'm also gonna mix in a little bit of the bronze drops in there. I think that's a nice shade. It's only to get a little bit of coverage, you know, a little. It's not going to be too hot today, but because I haven't worn like full coverage makeup in a while now, I don't know how my skin is going to feel, so I would rather just do this and then apply concealer in areas that I need it, you know. Nice. My Peach Highlighter by Rodial under my eyes, by my nose, on my chin, a little bit on my cheeks. I'm so sorry, I can't stop her. And some on my forehead. Just gonna let that set for a second before I blend it in. I recently like to blend it in with a brush, and I have the Baby Teddy by Rodial. I think she's playing with like all of the toys. All of the toys that I've laid out for her. Just gonna buff that out a bit with my beauty sponge. There we go. Nice and covered. I am gonna go in with my e.l.f. bronzer and contour in medium, I believe. Just one little drop on each side. This brush from Lindex, you know, the Swedish shop at home. But you also have Lindex in the Westfields, so you can always go there to see if you can pick them up. And you can order them online as well to this country. Is that enough? I think so. And then gonna go in with my Rodial blush drops in Sunset Kiss. And I'm gonna put it on my hand. Honestly, it's so beautiful. My favourite blushes now. Did accidentally get a bit too low actually. I'm just gonna blend that out with the excess concealer and stuff that I have on my sponge. I think that's looking good. I'm gonna set it with blush anyway. I think I'll do that now. So I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel London Radiance Brick Bronzer because it has sparkles in it, so it won't take away from the glow that I have on my face. I'm just gonna put a little bit here. Might have done too much. I don't care. I also picked up a new perfume yesterday, which I'm very excited about. Couldn't really afford it, but I didn't have any left, so I kind of had to, because I don't want to walk around and stink. So I bought the, what's the brand called again? Jo Malone Hair and Freesia, I believe it's called. I love it. I actually got it as a sample, and since then I've been obsessed with it, so I was like, okay, time for me to pick this up. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Buttermelt Blush in You Know Butter. This is a nice kind of peachy one, so it's not gonna be to take away from the rhodial too much, and it's also a bit shimmery. I applied a bit too much on there. There we go. That's all I need. And now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder, which still scares me a lot. So I'm gonna grab this brush, dab a bit into the main pot and tuck that into the lid. Oh, this has a lot of fluff on it that I don't want on my face. So I'm just gonna set all of the kind of oily areas. There we go. Still glowing, but protected from sweat. So obviously last night I didn't do that well with my eyebrows, but it's okay. I'm gonna rebuy it because I really liked it. You just put it on and then you just peel it off, and then you have like a nice colored eyebrow. And it lasts like 3 days, which is nice, even like after removing makeup, because it like fully stains it, you know. But I'm just gonna go in with my Benefit Gimme Brow. I'm gonna set it with my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Right, I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow, and I think we're going to stick with the Caia palette. Just gonna do a nice like bronzy eye. So I'm just going to go with this brown shaded cutie everywhere, and then I'm just going to go in with this sparkling gold called Love on the eyelid. Just like that. I'm going to take a bit more of cutie and just blend that out. A smaller brush, and I'm going to go in with Amore. It's a nice kind of like champagne gold, and I'm going to put that in the inner corners. And then go in with my mascara, Wonder Skin. Don't want to go for brown mascara today. There we are. And to finish off, I'm going to go to some highlight and lipstick. I'm going to use the Revolution Highlighter Reloaded. Going in with my contour brush because I kind of like the density of that with applying highlighter. My lipsticks, my Zara one, I think it's red, or is it pink? It might be slightly pink, so maybe not. I'll do red liner anyway. It's not the kind of dark red I want it to be, but it's okay. It's really not the red I want it to be, but it's fine. I'm gonna go for the Zara lipstick. It's in Velvet Pigment. So that is the finished makeup look. So I'm just gonna get dressed, do my nails, and then I will be back with you guys. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Got my nails done, and this is the dress. Absolutely love it. Put some statement earrings in, and matching my red lip and my red hair, and I'm kind of obsessed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of the hair and the dress and the nails and the makeup, everything. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I would really appreciate it. Thank you again for watching. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!